Today I'm going to show you how to read the values of an object programmatically. So we all know the importance of objects in JavaScript. It plays a very significant role as we get the data from the backend in JSON format, and we store huge amounts of data in objects only. So it's very important to know the efficient ways to handle the objects to handle our code very easily. So let's create an object using object literal method. Let TV series. I'm listing out my favorite TV series here. 1 Breaking Bad, and second one Sherlock, Dexter. So as you all know that objects are a collection of key value pairs. So here whatever you see on the left side 1, 2, 3 are called the keys, and whatever you see on the right side Breaking Bad, Sherlock and Dexter are called values of an object. So first let's console these to the output. TV series, let's see. So we got an object will be in curly braces, and here 1, 2, 3 are called the keys as I said, and Breaking Bad, Sherlock and Dexter are called the values of an object. Remember these. So in ES6 they have introduced a few methods to handle these objects or to read these keys and values of this object. So one is Object.keys, which I have explained this in my previous tutorial. Object one, we have to pass the object as a parameter into this. You can see it fetched the keys of an object and it stored it in array. So if you want the values of an object to be stored in array, then we can do using Object.values. Pass the object. See here, you can see it fetched all the values of an object, Breaking Bad, Sherlock and Dexter, and stored it in array format. Now if you want the combination of both key value pairs in an array format, then we can do it using Object.entries. Object.entries, and pass the object as a parameter. If you see the output, you can see we have an array of arrays. So in the first array it fetched the first key and its value, Breaking Bad. In the second array it fetched second key and its value, Sherlock. Third key and third value, Dexter. So these three are very important methods. Let me recall what I have explained. So I have created this object using object literal method, which is very basic one, and I have used let instead of var. This is ES6 syntax. So in the object, whatever you see on the left side are keys, and whatever you see on the right side are called values of an object. So in order to read the keys of an object or properties of an object, we have used Object.keys and we have passed our object as a parameter to that. So what happened is it fetched or extracted the keys of an object and stored it in array. Similarly, when we used values, as you know, these are the values. When we used values over our object, it fetched values of that object and stored it in array. Similarly, when we used Object.entries, it fetched both key and values and stored it in separate arrays. I hope this is clear now. Thanks a lot for watching my video.